Step 1. Visit the website. Go to www.eduprchina.com. You will see the homepage. Step 2. Start registration. Click on Sign Up to proceed to the registration page. Step 3. Fill in your information. Enter all required details. Username. Select your nationality, city, phone number, email address. Step 4. Get verification code. Click Get Code. A verification code will be sent to your registered email address. You will see a notice verification code sent successfully. Step 5. Check your email. Open your inbox and look for an email from Eduprchina with the subject line Eduprchina account registration. This email contains your verification code. Step 6. Enter the code. Copy the verification code and paste it into the required field. Step 7. Set your password. Create and confirm your password. Step 8. Tell us how you found us. Select We Heard About Eduprchina from the drop-down menu. Step 9. Complete registration. Click Sign Up. You will see a success message. Registration succeeded. Now you can go to the Identity Authentication section in your account to fill in your basic info and upload your ID documents to get your account approved. Step 10. Check your email again. You will also receive a second email from Eduprchina with the subject line Your account on Eduprchina. This email contains your username and provides guidance on completing identity authentication. Important notes: if you are unable to receive the verification code or encounter any other issues during registration, please feel free to contact us. We're happy to help. Contact us